This is a 1989 Bayliner Capri 1950. There are people who will flame me for wasting time on a Bayliner. It seems like they've earned a bad reputation, but I've never owned a boat, so I didn't know any better. And I didn't really choose this boat, it kind of fell in my lap. I basically got it for free. I'd known about this boat for 8 years before it became mine. It was dropped off at a construction yard for storage and never left the yard. At the time, it looked new because it had just been reupholstered, but over the next 8 years, it had been vandalized when someone cut pretty much every piece of upholstery. Reckless people had poked holes into the hull by moving equipment around. But the worst part of it is it became Rat City. My son and I used to lie in the bed of my truck with BB guns and snipe rats coming out of the boat. I never imagined one day that boat would be mine. But $101 in registration fees later, it ended up at my house. The day after I brought it home, I cleaned it up a little and got it ready for storage, because I knew I wouldn't be able to get to it for a while. I started by throwing out trash and sucking up rat poop. Here's some oddly satisfying footage of vacuuming buckets of rat poop. And it sat like this for 2 years.